In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Studio website to Netlify. We'll start in Google AI Studio and finish with a live site on Netlify, keeping everything simple and clear. First, head to Google AI Studio and open the project you want to publish. If you need a local copy of the site, look for the three-dot menu associated with your project. Click that menu and choose Download to grab the project files. If your project already lives in a Git repository, you can skip the download and plan to connect that repo directly. A quick tip before moving on. Make sure your site output includes an index.yml file and any assets or build output it needs. If you're using Git, confirm those files are committed and pushed so Netlify can see them. Now switch over to Netlify and sign in. In the left sidebar, click Projects to view your workspace, then click Add New Project. Netlify gives you a few different ways to get started. You can start building with an AI agent if you want guided setup. You can upload your project files directly from your computer, or you can import a Git repository. For this walkthrough, we'll use Import a Git repository because it keeps deployments automatic with every push. Choose GitHub as the provider. If prompted, authorize access and select the repository that contains your Google AI Studio website files. You'll land on the deployment configuration screen. Here, choose the correct team or workspace if you're part of more than one, and enter a clear, recognizable project name so it's easy to find later. Next, review the build settings. If your site is purely static and already includes a final index.html in the root of the publish folder, you can typically leave the build command empty and set the publish directory to the folder that contains that index. Mal. If your project requires a build step, such as running a command to generate the final site output, set the build command accordingly and point the publish directory to the folder that build creates. If you're unsure, the repository's README often lists the correct command and output folder. When everything looks right, click Deploy. Netlify will fetch your code, run any build you specified, and then publish your site to a unique URL. That's it. Your Google AI Studio project is now connected and live on Netlify, and future updates are as simple as pushing changes to the same repository or repeating the upload process if you chose files instead.